Good morning, van campers. I hope you're all well. This is day 2 of our trip up towards Scotland. I'm just stirring at the moment. I'm getting ready for some coffee. Just heading up to the WCs. It's quite nice having access to these. Always good when you've got access to a loo, to just basic facilities. And over there are a couple of mounds. And I'm not sure what they're about. Oldest friend copped them yesterday as well. And I might just go and have a meander up and see what they're about, if it is possible to. They look man-made. Oldest friend reckons they might be Iron Age. No, I don't think we can go up there. That's a farm, Eyemouth. It doesn't look like there's any public access. Ah well. So what we've got access to here is Elsdon Village Hall at this spot. That light's come on automatically. There's a donation box. James and I have both left some money in there for the volunteers looking after this place. Little visitors book. You've got a disabled toilet. I think that might be where the shower is. Toilets are down here. Ladies and gents. And have a look in the ladies. Just in case any of you ladies fancy popping up this way. Couple of nice little, look how clean and tidy they are. Nice little cubicles in there. And then got the gents with a couple of urinals and a pot. Anyway, get out. Go on, get out. I'm going to be using these. Get out. Shower and a shave. Second day couldn't start any better. Ooh, and a dirty custard treat from oldest friend for breakfast. This day just keeps on giving already. And off we go on to good start, good start. Right, let's do this again. Here we go. In the right direction. Don't know where he was going then. So we're on our way up to Jedburgh. I would just like to thank for anybody from Elsdon that might happen to watch this video. Thank you so much for your hospitality. There's such friendly people in the pub that we're just about to pass here, where we popped into last night. This was the Bird and Bush. Yeah, cracking little place this. Here we go. And where we stayed. Came across with the shower key, give us access to the toilets and showers. Lovely. Yeah, thank you so much.
Last cafe in England.
Yeah, there we go, the last cafe in England. Got some nice scenery here. Wow, lovely. Here we go, over the border. Scotland! Proper hairpin bends on this bit. Whee! Just entering Jedburgh. Up ahead you've got Jedburgh Abbey. It's quite a spectacular looking building really. There used to be, I don't know that it still is, there used to be an awesome little baker's down there. We could get great mutton pies. More than just a salon. Somebody's half-inching my ideas. Entrance to Bridewell Jail. 1720. That's a nice idea. Happy to chat bench. Sit here if you don't mind someone stopping to say hello. Oh, and look over there, natural beauty. Somebody's named a shop after me. Happy wasps. Got a beautiful herringbone sky. Anyway, we're going to have a look, see where we're heading off to next. Kelso, I think. Right, we're heading over to Kelso now. Oldest friend wants to have a look at Argos. I forget what he said he wanted, so there is one over there. Might get some breakfast over there too, which would be kind of cool. Because I'm ready to eat. Right, Right, we're just entering Kelso. We're going to stop off here for a bit. Bring it to all the best places, don't I? So apparently we've come here for a pallet of parsnips. Right, got a filthy breakfast pack here. Gonna find somewhere to cook it up. Hell yeah! This is a little village called Cornhill. Lots of these like crofters' cottages on the right hand side knocking about in this area.
Drink.
Yeah, looks alright. Rubbish bin, all good. Twizel Bridge, somewhere to explore.
Cool beans.
So we're at Twizel Bridge. What a great name. Looks like there's a lot of historical connections here. However, the important thing for us is to cook some breakfast and then go and have a look at the bridge. Yummy, got a filthy breakfast pack and some cheesy baps. Let's get cooking. Well. Round 2, double black pudding, double sausage. Nice. Well, now we've filled that little hole, let's go for a little look over this bridge. So yeah, apparently an army of 10,000 marched over here. That took some hammer. I mean, they could have just taken the road, couldn't they? Well, that's nice on the other side there. Historical bridge, Twizel Bridge. Not a lot to it, but don't say I never show you anything historical. Oh, dying. We're off again, heading towards Berwick on Tweed. Not far from Berwick on Tweed now. Coming over this top of this hill, we can see the sea in the distance. Here we go, Berwick Upon Tweed. See, I bring you to all the best places. More supplies. Right, now we've got supplies round 2 sorted out. Gonna go and have a look at Berwick Castle. Very sandy coloured street. I'm guessing this is a bridge over the Tweed. We seem to have been brought to the train station
Shall
for
we
some
park
reason.
up here?
Can do, can't we, and go for a meander.
10-4.
Right, so we found a sign. We are there and we're going to go and have a walk around here and then along the river and see what we can see. Lily Pond.
Riverside Walk, Castle Remains, or Town Centre Viewpoint.
Castle Remains, Riverside Walk.
Yeah, Castle Remains, Riverside Walk.
Let's do that one then. It's a bit blustery. Now that is quite a spectacular rail viaduct there. Yeah, look at that. Alright, Sammy, so we're walking along this way towards the castle remains. Looks like it was built by Robert Louis Stevenson. Stevenson. Wow, look at that. And here we have some castle remains. All this friend's going up. I think I'm going to go down. Oh, that doesn't sound right, does it? Oh, look at this. Kind of got to duck a little bit in here. The White Wall. So down there, that's the tunnel I've just been through. Let's go and have a look up here. Do you know what? I bet in its heyday, I bet this was quite a structure on this river. Oh, look at it, goes all the way up there. Where are you going, Nita? Get out! When you look back from where we came, you can see all the castle up there. This is quite canny. A boat made out of driftwood. Yeah, look at this.
Yeah, built with wood.
Oh, someone's trying to burn it, rotten bastards.
Oh.
When you look at the embankment that goes up to that castle, it would have been a good place to put it. It's just a shame they built that damn aqueduct in the way. Right, after that little walk, we're both a little bit tired actually. Neither of us slept brilliantly well last night. So we're just going to have a little nap in the cars. Right, we're off again. We're going looking for somewhere to stay for the night. So we've just crossed back over the border into Scotland. Got the sea over there on the right hand side. If I was on my own, I would do this spot, but it's not ideal because we can't really need to run around and there's passing
I'm going to take a little detour because I found another spot. So we'll just have a look, alright?
Yeah, no problem. No idea where he's taking us. This is a steep downhill windy road. Oh look, sea's up ahead. I would like a coastal view if we could do it, that'd be nice. It's supposed to be a crap night weather-wise tonight though. Oh, this is cool though. We're just turning around and going back the other way, the way we came. It would have been nice down here, but it's a bit residential. Lovely area though.
I mean, there's always here. But it's just too open, innit?
Alright, back up here we go. So we're just on the edge of Eyemouth here, and we're just going to investigate another spot, which I think will be alright. Alright, we're not totally convinced here. We have found another spot we're going to have a go and check out. So this is our view for the night over the sea. You can see the sea over there. This is what we've kind of got set up. Put the tarp over the van and the cart. Just create a bit of shelter because it's coming over this way. Nice. Right, it's tea time. Got some rice searing off in the pan. I can smell burning grass. It's going to be a proper treat, this one. Nice bit of backlight, yeah. Actually, it's quite nice over there now. Oldest friend is having radioactive meatballs. They stand out really quite red on here.
Today?
Yeah.
They're not in real life.
Right, the mince is kind of searing off. Right, next stage, add some noodles. Remove the little packet, it'll be going in a bit. Chuck seasonings in. Or let the wind take it and blow it all over. Bit of chilli, bit of soy, and then a bit of the surprise gunk that I never know what it is, looks like Bob Monk. Bit of semen. Ooh, look at that, one lump of semen or two. Oh god, that's it's not like my semen.
Oh,
I need to stop talking about semen.
looks like bronchitis.
Mucus,
residue.
yeah. Just give that a bit of a mix in. I know it doesn't look right yet. Now what I often do is I often add water in a stock cube at this point, but today I am trying some Tesco Finest beef stock. So we'll drop that in.
Oh, you got to read the front of that.
I've read it.
Beef stock, made with
Beef
stock.
Yeah.
Oh dear me.
Chuck that in, give it a stir, and then throw in some veggies. There's some leftovers from last night and a couple of spring onions.
Boingy stalks.
There we go. And then just leave to simmer for a little while. While dinner's cooking, just check out this kind of dramatic skyline going on here. I mean, out there you can see stormy weather that's gone out from here, out that way. But it looks really quite cool. Mad Spaniels. There we go, look at that. Nutritious and filling, one of the better slops. See Dave, I can cook. Eating like a king tonight. Well, maybe not.
Carl is turning his van round. Carl is turning his van round because then he can sleep the way that he has been sleeping, even though he could quite easily turn his sleeping bag round or just put the pillow at the other side and then he could sleep that way. But oh no, let's waste diesel, especially in this current climate when diesel's expensive. It's so silly.
Well, that's the end of another day on this little trip. You know what to do about liking, subscribing if you like what I'm doing, etc, etc. Tomorrow, day 3. Who knows where we'll end up. You take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Cheerio.